Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. We are here in the grow tent and we are going to get an update on Microdwarf 2526 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. And I'm going to sit down because my legs are tired. Been working outside in the garden. Let's see what we got going on down here. Other than they are growing so much. Look at this one back here. That is every bit of 3 feet tall. It goes all the way up to here. There's not a bud on it. No tomatoes. It's just leggy and little side shoots, but nothing else. It's working on 4 feet tall. And we've got this one up here in the front that's got some budding on it, but no little tomatoes yet. Another one back there in the back that's got some budding. Got lots of budding on that one. Lots of budding on this one. No little dwarf tomatoes yet. But these guys are doing really good. They are starting to outgrow these up potted pots that I put them in. I just had to add more soil because this one back here, maybe it was that one, was so root bound that the roots were coming out of the stem. So, I mean, I don't even know what am I guess I can put them in a bigger, like, pot and just have these up on the, I don't know where. Actually, don't want to put them outside because, I mean, one day it's 70, the next day it's 16. So, anyway, I'll just keep them here in the grow tent for now. And we'll just keep an eye on them. And we're going to be so excited when we see some little tomatoes coming on. But 4 of the 5 do have budding. Just not sure why that big one back there is just never has had buds or flowers or nothing. And it's going on 4 feet tall. But anyway, that's going to wrap up the little update for week 15 of Microdwarf 2526 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on week 16.